Okay, hi everyone. So today we talk about week 3 lab. So today I will teach you how to design the ERD by using specific tool. In this case, we are focusing by using Draw.io. Draw.io basically is an online tools that we can use to design a diagram. So we continue to our slide. So this is content of this slide. First, I will talk about the introduction of the relational database. Second one is what is a primary key, foreign key, relationship modeling, table relationship, and tutorial. So what is a relational database? Basically, relational database is a set of formula describe tables from which data can be accessed or resembled in many different ways without having to reorganize the database table. For example, data from JPN has been reassembled with the data at JPJ to become a relational database that has been used by the police officer to identify the criminal record of car driver. Next, what is primary key? Primary key basically is a number. It's like an ID that can be used to identify which data. In this case, for example, we can see the primary key we choose is a customer ID and order number. Foreign key. Okay, what is foreign key? Foreign key basically is a primary key, but we imported from other table. In this case, we use customer ID primary key from customer for this table, for this order table. So this is data referring to this data. Okay, relationship modeling. It is very important to develop a good design. We need to know, when I say entity, what is entity is basically is the name of the table. Attribute, order number, line number, product quality, we can consider as a attribute. For example, if we given by these two table, if we want to convert to the ERD, so we need to put like this way. This 1.1, 1.1 we can consider as a cardinality. One to many means one order for have many order lines, and one order line mean refer to one order. In this case, one order line can be a one product, and then zero product is for many order line. This is a relationship that has been designed for this situation. Okay, currently there are 6 different table relationship. The first one to one to many to one, many to many, 0 to 1, many to 0. One star means many, 0 to many. This is a relationship for subject student, for subject student and subject. This is referring for one student can take many subject, and 0 subject can be taken by many student. So there is a student that didn't take any subject. So this is the another table relationship that have been done by me. For example, this one. Student one-to-one student. One student can have one Canvas account, and then one Canvas account is belong for one student. One student taking many courses. This is a complex relationship. One course can be consist of many units, and one unit consists of many courses. Since this combination one to many to many, so this relationship considered as a many to many. Actually, the one-to-one, the table relationship, actually it really depends on the creativity of the designer, database designer. It depends how he or she understand the situation. There is no right and wrong how to design one-to-one, one to many. There is no right and wrong. It really depends on the designer itself. So this tutorial how to use Draw.io, maybe you can, if you want to understand more how to use Draw.io, you can surf these links. And then so we go the first tutorial. In this slide I will teach two tutorial. I want to demo two tutorial, two question here. So this is the situation. First of all, we need to understand this situation carefully, and then we need to highlight which one is important. And then when we highlight which one is what, then we know which attribute. For example, here we highlight 50 shade of red, EL Gems, March 2006, The Grass is Singing, Doris Lessing, April 2016, Bill Bryson, A Short Story, Nearly Everything, June 2016, James, Read Jason in 24 Hours, Peter Shelter, Pierre Winsilla, Feeling for Snow. Okay, the red things is the important things in this text. So we can consider 50 Shades of Red is the title of the book. E.L. James considered as a author. March 2016 can be a time. So this is the ER diagram based on the situation that I talked before. I put a book title, author, month, and comment remarks. This is the important, the important things that I have been put it in the ERD. Okay, so this is the second example. First of all, we need to understand the situation of this text, and then we highlight it, and then we can design like this one. M is many, one is one. So one subject can be taken, can be offered in many offer. One lecturer will be teaching many subject offering. One subject offering can be used in many environment. One online discussion board can be used in one enrollment. One student can be go in many enrollment. One enrollment can have one result. This is the ERD for the situation. Actually, the ERD for each person might be different, maybe slightly different, but at least we have a common things. One to one, one to many, the relationship is a common. Okay, so I think that's all for this slide. Okay, now I will show you how to draw the ERD by using Draw.io. So I want to play the first video. First video is all about the how to draw the first VRD for first question. I just drag and drop the table only and edit the text inside the tables. Okay, so this is the outcome of the first question. So what I need to do after I drawing, so I can download the images. So this is the result, and after downloading I can open it by using pen. Then I can use the image in any way that I want to put. For example, I want to put in a Microsoft Word, okay. So for the second video, this is for second question. Same procedure, I just go to the draw.io and I go to the entity relation. I just drag it. I can adjust the font size. I can adjust the font type also, color. So this is the final diagram that I have been designed by using these online tools. So after that, after finish the drawing, I just export as picture. So in this case, I just use I prefer PNG. Okay, I think that's all. So I hope you can learn something in this video. So you have any question, you can simply ask me at the Canvas discussion. And if you want some kind like a consultation, you can request me by using Microsoft Team and TeamViewer. TeamViewer basically is like a software. It's a remote desktop software, which is I can control everything inside your computer. So you need to install one. I need to install one. What you do, you just give me like a ID of your PC, and I connect it, make a connection, and then after that I can control your mouse and everything inside your computer. So by using that kind of the technique, so can teach you, I can guide you how to do in proper way. So I think that's all. So thank you.